went deep into research to find the secret of the nature, and soon they discovered matter, which is anything that has mass and occupies space. You, me, the school, the books, everything is matter, as they all have some mass and occupies space. They even discovered atoms, which are small particles containing even smaller particles, electron, proton and neutron, which even prove that matter isn't continuous and is made up of very small particles called atoms. It was like the Panchatattva has taken a new form, particles, just in the form of science with the same truth behind, which proved what are we made up of. We are made of the Panchatattva. The air is made of particles, the earth is made of particles, the water is made of particles, the universe is made of particles, and so are we. And this way we all are made up of particles, and we all are made up of Panchatattva. And yet, if you ever wonder what are you really made up of, just know that you are made of the universe itself. Thank you and Jai Hind.